absolutely is worth it. It absolutely is worth it. Welcome back to my channel. Trailing Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit the notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on all of my social platforms at Trailing Danita. Alright guys, I am back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be trying out the RevAir Reverse Hair Dryer. I've used this hair dryer in a previous video. I'll be sure to link that down below, but I used it to stretch out my wash and go. Today I'm going to be using to just stretch out my hair. I am preparing my hair for a protective style, and I need my hair to be stretched. I don't need it to be bone straight because it's not going to be like a silk press style, but I do need it to be straight. And plus I want to do a bit of a length check because I haven't straightened my hair in some time. So I'm going to be using the RevAir to see if it's really worth all the hype. Ideally, this dryer is supposed to be a safe way to stretch the hair without damaging it. So I'm going to put it to the test and see if it's worth that hefty price tag. The RevAir Dryer device comes with the base and the hair nozzle. And with the nozzle, you will use this to dry sections of your hair. This dial is for the heat temp here. You can adjust the heat setting to your liking. And of course, this is the nozzle for when you're straightening your hair. And the base of the machine just looks like this. This adjusts in terms of the suction level. The suction level goes up to a 7, and then you can adjust it accordingly of how much suction you think you need on your hair. And this is just the off and on button to turn it on and off. And with the newer device, it does have kind of a handle where you can hang the nozzle on for easy use. So I do like that functionality of the machine. Using the dryer to stretch my type 4 hair, so I'm excited to see what the results might be. So let's just get into it. My hair has been freshly washed and detangled, and I have it in sections, in 4 sections right now. So my hair is not totally soaking wet, it's just kind of damp. I did add a moisturizing cream, kind of like a leave-in in my hair. The RevAir does suggest not to put oils in the hair if you're planning to straighten the hair, so I did not put any oils in my hair. I just put kind of like a leave-in cream. So like I said, my hair is damp. I'm not looking to get my hair super straight because I'm not prepping it for a silk press. It's okay if I use kind of like medium to large sections, but we'll see as we go along to see, you know, what sections are like most appropriate for the stretch that I need. So for right now, in the back of my hair, I'm just going to take a small section, like small to medium section, like so. And while this dryer is designed to be safe for the hair, I'm still going to use a heat protector. I'm going in with the TPH hot commodity heat protectant. Just spray a little bit of that on the hair. Working that through. And now let's turn her on. So like I said, you turn it on here. She is loud. It's like a vacuum cleaner. It's really a machine. And then I'm going to go to the suction level of about a 3. And we'll go from there to see how much suction I really need. Alright guys, so I did use this really quickly, and as you can see, it really didn't give the straightness that I need. It is recommended that when you're using this dryer is that you kind of just start small and build, you know, so you can find your soft spot for the dryer. So I started with a suction level of like 3 and on a low setting. It didn't really get my hair straight at all, to be honest. So I'm going to take it up a notch. I'll probably take it up to probably a 5 section and turn up the heat a little bit because like I said, I do need my hair straight because I'm prepping it for a protective style. So let's try this again. that was much better. I can actually take it up another notch on the section. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and kind of finish up this section. I'll come back and show the results. So I just finished the first full section of my hair. I'm impressed. It's so easy to do. Like, I did start with like medium-sized sections, and then I reduced it down to more of a smaller section. But these are the results, and my hair is straightened. Like, it's not super bone straight, which I really didn't care because that's not what I'm using this for. I just wanted to straighten my hair, like I said, for protective style and to kind of just dust my ends, because yeah, my ends are looking a little raggedy. It's the first section, and I'm gonna move on to the next section of my hair, which is in the back, and just to give you an idea of the difference. And while I'm straightening my hair, I'm doing a bit of a length check. I may have mentioned that I have been on a new hair journey. If you have been following me for a while, you may have noticed that my hair was colored about 1.5 years ago. Listen, the color is gone, okay? I have been trimming my hair and trimming the color off gradually, and basically I just kind of have a whole new head of hair, just growing that color out. While I'm straightening my hair, I'm doing a bit of a length check. And to help me do a length check, I'm using the TD Curl Cousin Got Hair Goes Length Check t-shirt. It has the TD Curl Cousins on the front, and it has the length check in the back, to kind of, so you can measure, you know, your hair journey. You just want to see how far you've come. So that's what I've been using, our TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit t-shirt. If you are interested in this, I'll leave it down in the description below. You can find the t-shirt on my website. Go ahead and finish the other sides of my hair, and let's just get into it. Okay guys, I am fully done going through all of my hair, and these are the results. Listen, you can say what you want about that price tag. My thing is it worth it? It absolutely is worth it. It absolutely is worth it. Let me tell you why. First of all, the RevAir Reverse Hair Dryer is designed to protect the hair. The technology in the dryer, it has a reverse drying technology, which is less damaging to the hair, okay? We love that about it. The other thing, it is a time saver. Like, it did not take me long. It took me about maybe 30 minutes to do this completely, and I actually went over my hair an additional time. So that really didn't take me that long, and I didn't feel stressed or tired. My arms didn't feel tired, which is very, very important, because when you're dealing with your hair, natural hair, oh my God, if you don't have muscles, the arms, they ache, okay? They ache. But nonetheless, it did get the job done, and it is also an effective and safe way to just stretch your hair. Stretching your hair definitely helps with retention of your hair, reducing the knots and everything. So if you're on a hair journey and you need to keep your hair stretched to maintain your length and retain the length, it's worth it, okay? Not only can you use the RevAir to just kind of stretch your hair like this, you can even stretch your styles. I've used the dryer to stretch my twist outs, my braid outs, to kind of speed up the drying process, as well as once I let out my twist outs and my braid outs, I then go in and stretch my hair then, as well as stretching my wash and go. I have a video on my channel. I'll link that up here and down in the description below, showing how I use the RevAir Dryer to stretch my wash and go. Is it worth it? Yes. It's multi-usage. It's beneficial to the hair. I mean, why not? So here's the thing. For all my girlies and all my wig girlies, if you would go and spend $300, $400 for a wig, you can get this dryer. I don't want to hear nothing about the price. I know it's steep. I know it's steep, but we out here spending coin for wigs, all right? But if this is something to help maintain your hair, it's worth the investment. An investment in the health of your hair. Like I said, I'm using this dryer because I just need to stretch my hair because 1, I want to do a length check. 2, I need to trim my ends just a smidge, okay? We don't want raggedy ends. And I'm prepping my hair for a protective style. So this is ideal in terms of how much stretch I need my hair. I did not need my hair super bone straight, so this is perfect for what I need. I can glide my hair through my hair, oh my God. And I just love the way my hair feels. It feels silky and everything. So yeah, I love it. Guys, have you tried the RevAir Dryer, or is the RevAir Dryer on your wish list? Well, I can help you with that. Listen, I'm your girl, okay? We are curl cousins, so I got a code for you if you're interested in this dryer to help you save some money. I'm gonna put the code right down here as well as in the description box with my link. I'd appreciate it if you use the link to order the RevAir Dryer. It helps your girl out a lot, and I appreciate all of that. If you're in the market for the dryer, definitely check it out. You will not be disappointed. It is definitely worth the investment. Alright guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, ciao.